Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Addison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you the beginner's guide to Facebook ads in 2019 and beyond. All right. Now, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus that's going to help you build any business that you're in. Right now, it does not matter. All right. So stick around to the end for that. But right now, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the content. And if you haven't yet already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right. All right, so let's get right into the content for today. First things first, we are inside of the Ads Manager for Facebook ads. This is pretty much where you're going to spend a lot of your time, looking at the metrics, seeing what's working, what's not working, what you're spending, and all of those different things, all right? So that's where you're going to spend most of that time looking at that. All right, so if we look up here in the left corner, it says Ad Manager. So we're going to click on that. All right, so you see all of these different tabs. Let me just simplify this. All of these relate to you setting up your advertisement. So the ones that I go to a lot is the audience insights. This is the data that Facebook has that is going to allow you to make your campaign that much better from looking at that data. Okay, another one, as we were just in, is the Ads Manager. Okay, the other one that I go to is the Pixel. Your Pixel is very vital to your success. Audiences, okay, Facebook allows you to create different audiences, so also audiences from people who watch your videos. That's one that I use quite regularly. All right, so that's pretty much it for that. I don't use everything that you see here. Mostly Audience Insights, Ads Manager, Pixel, and Audiences. That's all I use, and then billing just to check what it is that I've spent so far. All right, so that's enough for that. Now let's get into actually setting up an advertisement. Okay, so I love what they did. You see this green button right here, create. I love that it's green because that means that it's time to go and it's time to get out there and to make some money. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit create. Now what's going to pull up is the different objectives that they give you, but I'm just going to hit start over right here. Okay, so these are all the different objectives, but real quickly let me explain this. So you have a campaign, and within the campaign is the ad set. Within the ad set is the actual ad. So as we're continuing to as we pick our objective, so once we pick our objective here, we're going to get a check, and so on and so on and so on down that particular column. All right. Now let's go over the objectives that you have. So you have the awareness campaigns. That's pretty simple in what they're saying. They're basically saying you want to get your message out to the most amount of people. You're not so much focused on, the amount of clicks that you're getting. You're not so much focused on, conversions and different things like that. It's specifically for getting your message out to the most amount of people. Okay. The consideration. So this will be based on particular things that you want. You want Facebook to show your audience to people who are going to be most likely to visit your website. So that's what traffic would be about. Now, engagement. Let me actually scroll down a little bit. All right, so engagement. So I'm going to go ahead and click on engagement and show you that there's different things within the engagement. So if you look here, there's post engagement. So if you want likes, comments, and shares, that's what that type of advertisement is, and that's what Facebook is going to show it to people who are most likely to do these things. See, Facebook has a lot of data. They know who hits the like button a lot. They know who shares a lot. They know who clicks on links a lot, so they show it to those people. All right, now page likes. Okay, they're going to show it to people who are most likely going to like your page based on the activity they've already tracked. Event responses, they're going to show it to those people. So hopefully you're getting what I'm saying. And pretty much as we continue to go down consideration, you'll understand it's pretty much the same process. They're going to show it to people who download, who install apps. They're going to show it to people who are most likely to view your video. Mostly people that are going to be that are actually going to opt in your lead form, because with the lead generation ads, you're actually able to create a lead form on Facebook. So when they click on your ad, it just pops up within Facebook, so it looks like it's a part of it, but it then sends it over to your autoresponder. Okay, so you can set that up if you have particular softwares to do that. The messages, they're going to show it to the people who are most likely going to send you a message. So hopefully that makes sense. Now let's move over to conversion. So this is going to be getting people to take a specific action. So if you want people that buy a lot on Facebook, or if you want people who opt into landing pages, right? You're looking for people to convert. That's the type of advertising you would use. This is for if you're trying to push a specific product, right? So catalog sales, you can use this. It's going to show it to people who buy products like yours. All right, and then store traffic, if you want people to actually visit, this is more like for a local business. So if you want more visits to your store, boom, that's what you can use, that type of ad, okay? All right, so that's it for the marketing objectives. Now let's get into actually setting up the ad. All right, so what I'm going to use is, since I love video views, I'm just going to set up a video views ad, okay? So I'm going to click on it, and boom, as you can see, they set it up. I'm going to leave it whatever name it is. I'm going to hit continue. All right, so it's going to do its little load up thing, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through setting up a campaign. I'm not going to actually hit the confirm button to confirm this, because this is just a test campaign. All right, so as I said, as we're doing it, see, we got the check over here. All right, now as we're doing it, you're going to continue to see that go through. All right, so here we go. First things first, you see is the custom audiences. If you don't have one set up yet, which 9 times out of 10 you probably don't have that set up, it's just where you go to audiences, as I showed you before, and you set up in different audiences based on retargeting, based on people who have already seen your business and they acted on what they saw. Okay, now next step would be to pick your location. Where do you want to target at? Is it United States? Is it Arizona? Is it California? That's what you want to put in here. Now, if you just want to go all United States, you can do that too, as you see here. Now, you can also target by zip code with this, right? That's just something I want to give you a little pointer, because not a lot of people know that you can target by a specific zip code. Okay, the age, the gender. Do you want men? Do you want woman? Okay. The language, are you targeting people that speak English, Spanish, Korean? Who are you targeting, right? That's going to be vital. All right, now next thing is detailed targeting. So they give you based off demographics, different interests and behaviors, okay? So just to kind of give you a quick view, people who are having an anniversary within 60 to 90 days, right? So literally I could go on all day about the different things that you can target. But what I would do is I would literally just go as if you're going to set up a campaign and look at all the different things that you can target, right? And then create your campaign based around the different targeting that you see. Okay. All right. So also the connections, you can do people who actually like your fan page, because those are going to be the people who like your page. So those are going to be the people who are already connected to you. Friends of people who like your page, so friends of the people who actually like your page, that's pretty verbatim. And then you can do different apps, different events, you know, different things that you're going to be able to take advantage of. All right, so if we continue to go down, you got automatic placements and you have edit placements. So I usually go to edit because I don't like to use automatic, because based on my experience, I notice you spend more money. Just in my experience, it may not be your experience, but you spend more money when it's automatic placements. Right, so I like to use Facebook feeds. I really only like my stuff to show up in the Facebook feed unless I'm advertising on Instagram. Since Facebook owns Instagram, you're able to set up Instagram ads through Facebook. All right, so what I'll do is I'll take off instant articles, I'll take off in-stream, I'll take off, I usually leave suggested videos, I'll take off marketplace, I'll take off stories, right? And I'll leave those two, but then I'll take off Instagram, audience, and then that'll be it, right? That's pretty much where I'll be showing up, feeds and suggested videos. Now at this point, I would then move down, okay, and then they allow you to do, like, if you want to do all Android devices, or if you want to do all iOS devices, or feature phones only, that's what you'll be able to do. All right, now if we continue to go down, this is where you would set your budget, okay? So if you're just starting out, I highly recommend you use $5 a day. That doesn't mean that they're going to take $5 a day from your account, because basically what they do is they front you the money for a month, okay? Or depending upon the limit that you have, then they charge you based on the difference. So it's either you hit the 30-day mark or your limit comes up and then they charge you. So hopefully that part makes sense. All right, so from here you can pick the optimization. So you can see this is through play. Do I want to optimize for that, or do I want to optimize for 10-second video views, or do I want to optimize for 2? Okay, I'm used to just doing 10-second video views, but you can use through play, whichever one you will want to use. All right, now from here, I don't worry about the bid strategy. I don't really see a purpose for it. Now this is showing you when you're going to get charged. So the impression, do you want to get charged every time Facebook shows your ad? That's what that means. Or do you want to get charged for every 10-second video view? Okay, so that's up to you. I usually just leave it on impression. All right, now the next step is to go to hit the continue button. So as you can see, we got all of these taken care of over here. Now we're moving on to the actual ad. All right, so from here you can see all you would do is pick your page, whichever fan page you have connected, because you need a fan page to actually advertise. All right, now I'm going to use my actual page, Rakeem, right? And then if you look here, there's the single video, right? That's the campaign we're using. And then if you go here, I'm just going to go to browse library, but you can actually upload a video if you don't actually have it. But I'll just go to browse library right here. I'll pick the video that I want to use. Okay, let's just say I want to use that one, and I'm going to hit continue, and then you'll see that video populate right here. Right now, let's say for instance I want to change what's on the top. Let's say I want to just put test, right? And then boom, test will show up right there. And let's say for instance if I wanted to add a website, boom, if I hit add a website, that'll some more stuff will pop down, and literally I can put whatever website I want to send people to right in this box right here. Okay, and then of course you could put your headline and it'll show up. Let me just show you what that'll do. Let's just put military soldier. All right, so I just want to show you what'll show up. All right, so as you can see, it's still looking the same, but if I put right here, if I put in the newsfeed link description, let's just put military, and you'll see a little box come up within the video. It should come up here in a second. All right, I'm not seeing it right now, but bear with me. Let's type in www.google.com. Let's just type that there, and that little box that I'm talking about should show up. Okay, so you see it now. The little box comes under your video, and then if they were to click in on the button that you have down there, it's going to send them over to the website that you want to send them to. But I'm not actually using that, so I'm going to go ahead and just hit that button right there because I don't want to use that. But I just wanted to show you what you're able to do. Now, you can also do different languages, but I don't play with that too much, but you can just kind of dig in and see if that's something that'll be useful for you. All right, now at this point, I would pretty much just make sure my Facebook pixel is set up and then make sure it's on, right? And then at that point, it's saying your ad may not run, and it's just talking about something with that specific video. But don't worry about that unless you actually have a ton of different words on whatever picture, or in your video there's just one specific scene. Facebook actually picks that up. Okay, all right, so from here you can look at the different views. You know, like if you hit the arrow here, it'll take you to the desktop view, it'll take you to the Facebook suggested, and
like
it will take you to the suggested video.
Right? You're probably thinking,
okay,
what does that soldier
let me actually stop that video. Okay, so boom, right? All right, so you just saw one of the videos that I have within my library. All right, so at this point, you're literally done. You will hit the confirm button, and boom, it's going to basically go through the ad approval process, and then Facebook is either going to approve your ad if it's within their standards, or disapprove your ad. Okay, now if you want to learn how to actually write ads and get templates, over 500 templates, then I want to give you access to a course. Okay, I'm going to give you access to hours and hours of training. Literally, that's the bonus that I was referring to in the beginning of the video. Now, how you're going to get access to that is there is a link down below in the description. That link is to my #1 recommended way to make money on the internet, right? Once you decide to lock arms with me, right, with my team, right, with the product, with the actual business that I'm in, right? Once you lock arms, then what I'll do is I'll give you access to this. Let me show you exactly what it looks like so you know. Look forward to getting this awesome content. All right, so as you can see, this is my team training site, meaning when you get started, right, you're going to get access to this for free. Okay, once you decide to lock arms through my #1 recommended business. Okay, now boom, you're going to get here, you're going to get the elite team training, you're going to get the online marketing 101, the make money online, the mini chat Facebook, like basically a mini course of showing you how to set up your bots and really get advanced with it if that's something that you want to do. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, you're going to be able to take advantage of that, right? Learn that skill set. If you want to learn some Instagram, right, you're going to be able to learn that within here. Now, if I scroll down even more, you're going to get access to tons of PLR products that you can actually use. Let's say, for instance, if you're doing a video, like if you're doing video marketing, right, or you're doing some type of launch, you'll have things that you can give away to increase your sales, if you know what I mean. All right. And then elite credit repair. So some things that are not known to the public, you're going to get access to that stuff, right? And so you can boost your credit score. And then here is the Facebook ads training course that you're also going to get access to when you decide to click the link down below in the description, guys. So literally, let me just kind of give you a preview of this stuff. So for example, let's click into the credit repair. All right, I know you guys, I know this video is about Facebook ads, but I just want to show you guys something, what you're actually going to get access to. It's pretty cool. All right, so it's taking a little bit of time, but just bear with me. Come on. All right, so here we go. Learn how to get $10,000 line of credit no matter what your FICO score. How to get approved for $5,000. How to get a $2,500 line of credit. How to get a $1,500 line of credit. How to get $2,500 line of credit from furniture just for $1. Right? You're learning how to increase the amount of credit that you have. Now when it comes to the actual your discipline, that's going to be something that you have to train. Okay, now when you're getting all this stuff, it's not to put you in a worse situation, right? It's actually to help you boost your credit score. Okay, so, and you're also going to learn the shopping cart trick. That trick right there, it's definitely going to allow you to boost your credit score, right, and get something that most people don't have. All right, so definitely these are all the things that you're going to get access to. I didn't go into everything, but this is literally my team training site, so people who are on my team get access to all the thousands of hours of training that you have within inside of this university. Okay, so if you want access to all of that stuff right there that I pretty much just showed you guys, definitely click that link down below in the description. Once you take action, I will definitely give you access to the team training site. All right, so with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.